What's up, sweetie? How you doing? Ah, shit. Just chilling right now. What you got going? Yeah. Right now? I mean, I can, but it's snowing, right? Big ass snowstorm. No, no, no. That's not a problem. Um, okay, I'm be real with you. All I got is liability, and my license is suspended. So it's a good chance if I get pulled over, I'm gonna do a bid just for coming to see you. I mean, but I can do it if you make it worth my while. Yeah, here. Oh, you promise? Pinky promise. Put it on dead granny. I said, put it on your dead granny, man. Come on, stop playing. Okay, then. Okay, then. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm about to get it. Come over there now. Oh, hold on, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, hey. Put that little motherfucker in the microwave or something. Throw it in the oven. Nuke that bitch. You feel me? It's kind of cold. I'm trying to pull up and have to blow on that motherfucker like a bowl of noodles. Some oatmeal or some shit. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.